Hey, hello all. Welcome to our channel, DevOps Tech World. Today we are going to discuss about AWS free 50% discount voucher for the associate level exams, namely Solution Architect Associate, Developer Associate, and for SysOp Administrator Associate. Okay, so anybody can take any of the exams by registering from this website and get the discount voucher code and go ahead and register for an exam. Okay, I think this is the great opportunity. The those who are going to already prepared and they are willing to register for an exam to do the perform the exams. I think this is the better opportunity. I would suggest go ahead and register for an exam to take the associate level examinations. Okay, so this exam would we have a specific timeline, and it is not for uh, always. Yeah, anyhow, we will go through the times, date and times, all those things, the terms and condition page. So I will give this page, okay, for this URL in the comment line. You can go ahead and see, take that page and means URL and register for an exam. Okay, so okay, now we will see for the steps how to register and to get that coupon code. Okay, so once you enter into this website and you can able to see this page, join the AWS Certified Associate Challenges. Okay, so you have register now button, and before that, okay, you just go in and read for the terms and conditions in order to get the better idea. So what are the dates and which date, what is the expiry date, all those things. Okay, I'm just clicking for the terms and conditions. So I have this terms and condition links to be opened. Let it get open. Okay, so cool. We have this terms and conditions. Just to go through these terms and conditions, I think you have this page. Once you have this page, you can see here this offer is valid from June 6 to September 29. So this is the timeline. Okay, so you go ahead and register for an from the website to get a 50% discount voucher. Okay, just note it down, this June 6 to September 29. Okay, this would be applicable for any persons. Okay, uh, those who are going to willing to write an exam, so they can very well and go and write it. So okay, so the next point would be, so you need to prepare for an exam before going for that exam. So there is a challenge. Okay, you can see this page. Okay, associate level is not a guarantee that you will pass your exam. So while seeing the associate challenge, but you need to prepare yourself well in advance so that you can very confident and you can go and write an exam. This offer is limited to 150% of exam discount for individuals. So one person can opt for any one of the exam. Okay, that is how they mentioned here, until the supply is lost. Okay, limited to one. So you can use that voucher code for to do that exam, and this offer cannot be combined with any other offers or discounts. So you have that. For example, if you have already 50% exam voucher for any other challenges, any other challenge which you have already attended, but along with that coupon code, you can't mix with this coupon code. Okay, so that is what he's saying. So you should not mix any other coupon code uh, in order to use this coupon code. Okay, so this is how it is mentioned here. 50% of discount exam voucher right towards associate exam scheduled through Pearson UV. This would be applicable only for this anyhow. Pearson UV Center test center. Okay, so you register for an exam using this test center. So to get a discount code, you must eligible for sign up. Okay, so you need to sign up in order to get that. I think this is the URL which you have already seen. In order to get the 50% discount code on or before September 29. Just note this point. Discount code will automatically send to your email address once you register. So once you click on this page, after registered, okay, immediately within few minutes you will get an AWS voucher code, a 50% voucher code. Okay. You will have until, okay, so timeline will be till September 29, but I think I would suggest, okay, you just go ahead and register. We not sure because maybe this may be extend or maybe, okay, so maybe based on that voucher which is available from the AWS, they can able to provide. So better to go and register for and get an exam voucher code in order to schedule your exam. Okay, that is what it is mentioned here. Exam code discount CC while supply lost. Until unless you have the supply, you can get that voucher code. Okay, and one more important point. Once you got that 50% voucher code, right? So you need to take an exam. See, take your exam by 31st, 2023, October 31st. So you need to schedule your exam within this timeline and has to take an exam. Suppose in case if you are not if you are not schedule your exam beyond this, means beyond this date, if you schedule your exam beyond this date, you are not applicable for this to apply this discount. Okay, so make sure that you should schedule your exam on or before this October 31st. Okay. So this would be for rescheduling and all. Maybe after fail or pass. If you have passed, then it will find in case failure. So you need to follow the rescheduling. I think you need to wait for another 14 days in order to take in order to schedule and reschedule your exam. Okay. So all the reasons see here. So this would be the challenge deadline would be October 31st, and make sure, please note this point, you should be valid for this offer should valid only for October 31st. Okay, so I think you can go and read for the other terms and conditions. That is how they mentioned here. Offer is non retransferable and may not be resold. Okay, so in case if you violate any of these terms, the offer will be invalid. So I think the person, okay, so whoever is requested and they can go ahead and register for an exam. Should not use for any other person, or should not share the voucher to any other persons. Okay, so this is how they mentioned, and I think for the main, so let's recap this. Okay, so this offer would be valid from uh, June 6 to September 29. Okay, this is the time frame. So you need to get the voucher within this timeline. So please go ahead and register for your to get the exam voucher for 50% exam voucher, and schedule your exam on or before October 31st, 2023. So for registration to get the code and for the register your exam, just to note these dates and accordingly you can schedule for your exam. Okay, so all the very best for your exam. Okay, thank you all. See you in the next video.